Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today we have a package that is something that I wasn't sure was going to arrive at all because I couldn't really believe it was real. So let's open it up. Well, I guess let's first look. It's coming from Jackson Art Supplies, which is an art store that I've never ordered from before. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I wasn't sure if it would come because I've never ordered from Jackson's. And, oh my god, this is hard to open. Oh, it's one of those linty bags that's like full of dust. I don't like these ones. All right. It's like this got sawdust in the middle. Let's pull it out and see. I'm very excited about this. I'm super excited. And this is a little mini set of QOR Watercolor by Golden. And it says it contains 3 5mm tubes of watercolor paint. So why this is so exciting is because it was on sale for 0.21 GBT. I don't know what that means because I'm Canadian, but it was like under $1, I believe. And then I had to pay 3.82 GBT for shipping. So the total came to 4.03 GBT. I don't even know what kind of money that is. I think, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Like, oh, anyway. So anyway, I think it was like under $5 Canadian. So check it out. And I've never tried QOR watercolor, so I'm super excited. And there's these tiny little tubes of watercolor inside. And look how cute. So this is basically a little sample. And I'm so glad this came in time for me to do World Watercolor Month for the month of July. So it says this is nickel azo yellow. As you can see, it's 5mm. And, oh, this product contains a chemical known in the state of California to cause cancer. Not just by using it, right? You'd have to, like, eat it maybe to get cancer. I don't know. That's no good, though. I actually wouldn't have ordered that if I would have known. Oh, because of the nickel. Nickel is bad. Okay, well, I used to have actual nickels that had nickels when I was a little girl, and I'm fine, so I'm not worried. And then this one is quinacridone magenta. Look at that beautiful color. Matches my nails. Well, parts of my nails. I gotta redo my nails. I've got a lot of extra growth right here. But they still look pretty good, eh? Well, this nail grew really a lot. But anyway, yeah, that's a really pretty color. Does that have a cancer warning on the back? No cancer warning on the pink. Which is good. Gee, I wonder if that's why they're cheap. I think these were meant to be like free samples and they just started selling them. And then there's blue. This is ultramarine blue, which is one of my favorite blues. And this is, I can barely read these. Can you see this? It says PB29 for those of you who understand about the numbers. I don't. To me, it means nothing. So these are artist colors, and that color is beautiful. So with these 3 colors, you can mix a lot of other colors, which is exciting. So I'm really looking forward to swatching these and mixing them to see how many different colors I can get. So that will be fun. And I can't believe I got this like for really, really cheap, almost free. I basically just paid for shipping, you know? And I have always wanted to try the QOR brand. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. I see a lot of unboxings and swatchings and art on YouTube, and I just thought it looks really interesting. And one of the YouTubers I watch, and I'm so sorry, I can't remember who it was, put up like a notification saying that these are on sale. And I think at the time she said they were 75p, and I don't know what 75p means, but when I looked, it was 0.21 GBP. So there is a P in there. So anyway, including shipping, I paid 4.03 GBP. Alexa, what kind of money is GBP?
From studycountry.com. GBP is the abbreviation for the British pound sterling, the official currency of the United Kingdom.
Huh, sterling. Alexa, how much is 0.21 sterling in Canadian money?
21 pence is about 37 Canadian cents.
Okay, so 21 pence is what I paid for all three of these, which is, Alexa just said 30-something cents Canadian, which I've already forgotten. So, yeah. Alexa, how much is 4.03 sterling in Canadian?
4 pounds and 3 pence is about 7 Canadian dollars and 3 cents.
Oh, I paid more than I thought. So my shipping, with shipping, it came to 7 Canadian. But that's still not bad for artist quality. This is artist quality. Yeah, and that money, I've already forgotten what she said, pounds and pence. So P, when that lady said it was 75p, I guess that means pence. So anyway, yeah, I'm just used to dollars and cents. That sounds so weird to me. Anyway, I'm excited about it. It's an adorable little box. And that is it. So they were almost free. All I really did pay was for shipping. And to try to get these on the Canadian site, it would have cost much more. So I did order these from the UK site, because the Canadian site, when I looked, it wasn't having the sale. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. This is called the Sample Set of 3. And look how cute this little box is, and the branding. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye guys.